If you want to uninstall HP QuickDrop because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall HP QuickDrop on Windows 11 and in Windows 10 in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu, open your settings, open Apps, open the Installed Apps section, locate HP QuickDrop. Click on the three dots to open the HP QuickDrop options. Click on Advanced Options. This will uninstall HP QuickDrop and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The HP QuickDrop app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download HP QuickDrop again. Search for HP QuickDrop. Click on HP QuickDrop. Press Get. Wait for HP QuickDrop to be downloaded and installed. Now open HP QuickDrop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.